Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use curves feature in CapCut. So the curves feature can be found if you go to speed menu at the CapCut. So by the way, I've already added a video of an alien dancing and I want to use the curve feature. So what you need to do is you can just click on the video and then you'll find the speed menu. Click on that and you'll find curve feature. So here just click on a curve feature. So it's basically if you want to adjust the speed using the preset that is provided by CapCut, you can just choose one of these curves. There is montage, hero, bullet, let's see, jump cut, flash in, and flash out. So for example, I just want to use the hero curves feature like this, and you can also edit it out, so you can adjust the curves and also make it smoother or faster process or better quality. So in this case, I'm not going to change it. I'm going to just click on a check icon, and yeah, here's the result. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye bye.